Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by accepting that Ps4 does not natively support most Bluetooth audio. Once ready, update the console and charge the controller. Plug a Bluetooth USB transmitter into a Ps4 USB port or plan to use a wired 3.5 connection through the DualShock 4. Put your headset into pairing mode now, because timing matters. Some transmitters require pairing before the Ps4 recognizes them. Make sure the transmitter supports game audio latency, and keep the controller close to the console to avoid drops. Once the transmitter and headset are paired, go to the Ps4 settings and select Devices, then Audio Devices. Choose the transmitter or USB headset as the output device. Make sure input device is set if using the headset mic. Next, set output to headphones to all audio so game and chat go to the headset. Adjust the volume control, headphones, and mic level so you can hear and be heard. If using controller 3.5 plug in and repeat the same setting steps. You finish by testing in a game and joining a party chat. Check for latency and mic pickup, then tweak headset and Ps4 levels until balanced. If audio fails, swap the transmitter to another USB port, fully reset the controller, and repair the headset. Sometimes power cycling the Ps4 helps. Make sure the transmitter firmware is current and that it advertises a low-latency codec. Otherwise, use a wired 3.5 connection as a reliable fallback. This single troubleshooting tip solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.